in this video, I will show you guys step by step how we made $37,950 in commission with affiliate marketing just in 90 days, promoting affiliate links on YouTube. I will share with you my methods, my strategies that helped me to start making like these commissions, and I made this commission in the last 3 months. So make sure to watch this video until the end if you guys are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing using free traffic. You don't have any money to invest in ads. This video is for you, and let's get started. Okay, this is my clicks, this is my CTR, this is my affiliate account dashboard, and just last month I made $16,972 and it's paid. Okay, you guys can see over here, this is my invoice, and for the commission that you are making this month, it's gonna be paid in the next month, in the first between 3 and 5 days of the next month. The payment of this affiliate marketing is gonna be paid. Okay, anyway, for people who are interested to start making money with affiliate marketing and use free traffic, step number 1, go to Google and search for this website, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple, and after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. So the sign up process is super easy. All you have to do, you just need to use your email address, and that's it. This will be your home page. Scroll down over here like this, just keep scrolling down and go to company and click over here on affiliates. Okay, you will be directly in this Fiverr affiliate website, as you can see. So you guys can check this website. You can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliate. They are really paying good commissions. From my experience, I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years, and this is the best affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. It's profitable. Some commissions can be up to $150 just for one person if he used your affiliate link and buy service. The best part is that each time this person will make transaction on Fiverr, you will earn commission for the next 12 months. That's why I really suggest, if you are interested to start affiliate marketing, to start with this one, with Fiverr affiliates. Anyway, you guys can check this website if you are interested. Then click over here on join now, and here you go. You will be directly in the sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program, and the sign up process is super easy and simple. All you have to do, you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Do you have a main source of traffic? If you guys have a website, you can say yes. If you don't have, you can say no. Choose your country and choose your language. Okay, if you have a Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next, answer next few questions, and that's it. And after you finish, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliates account dashboard. Okay, so what you will do next, you just need to choose good services that you should start promoting on YouTube to earn commission. Okay, and I will show you guys step by step how you can choose a profitable services that people will be interested to buy from you on YouTube. Okay, so next step, go back to your YouTube homepage. Go back to your YouTube homepage. Open your YouTube homepage. It's super easy and simple. Why we choose YouTube? Because YouTube has, I think, so you guys can see, YouTube has 29 billion monthly visitors. That's really a big number. You should know that YouTube is the second largest search engine after Google. Google is number 1 and YouTube is number 2. So lots of people, so like the most of people are using YouTube to search for products or services or topics. Okay, so what you will do, you will click here on the search and you will ask question. I'm gonna ask, for example, let's say how to run ads, for, and here you go. So YouTube will give you the topics that people are searching for right now on YouTube. This is a report search prediction. People are searching for how to run ads for Shopify store, how to run ads for clothing brand, how to run ads for dropshipping. Those people who search for how to run ads, they have money, okay, but they don't know exactly how to run ads for those businesses. Okay, so what we will do, we will go back to our Fiverr account, and we will click on the search, and we will search for example, ads Facebook, ads dropshipping. We will search for, let's search for Shopify ads. Okay, the first topic, Shopify ads. Okay, click on the first keyword, search for Shopify ads. I want you to pay close attention in this step. Let's scroll down, and here you go. You will find a lot of people here who are providing those services. Okay, you guys can see. So what you will do next, you need to choose a good sellers. Always choose good sellers. You can choose like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, top rated sellers, sellers who has a lot of reviews. Why? Because those people who are searching for how to run ads for Shopify, if they are interested, they will click on your affiliate link, they will check the profile of those sellers, they will check the feedback. If those sellers are good sellers, those people will trust those people will trust those sellers, and they will actually buy this service from you, so you can earn commission. Okay, I'm gonna choose for example this one. You guys can see this one is level 2 seller. I will create, run, manage Facebook ads campaign, Shopify, TikTok ads. This one is really good. I will click on his service like this, and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. He has 3 orders in queue. You can see how many reviews this seller has here, a lot. So what you will do next, you will copy the link of the profile. You will copy the profile link of the seller like this, and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. Click over here. You have dashboard, you have marketing tools, you have reports, payments. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links, and you will be directly in this page. Click on deep link, put your this seller profile link here, and click on save. And here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. All you have to do next, you just need to promote this affiliate link on YouTube. So what we will do next, we will go back to this seller profile page, and we will scroll down. This seller has a video which is really good. Let's check. This is customer feedback video.
I would like to speak about a gig that I selected 2 weeks ago from Adil that was offering 1-hour training session. Reading about his experience, I decided
that's really a good video. Okay, this is the feedback of the customers. They are happy with the results, which is really good. What we will do next, we will double click on the video, and we will click on save video. Okay, so we will save this video to our laptop. So click on save, and I'm gonna name it, for example, ads. Click on save. Okay, I'm gonna name it ads 1, and click on save. And here you go. What you will do next, you will go to Google. Okay, go back to Google and search for Canva. Okay, search for this website. It's for free, it's easy to use. All you have to do is just need to sign up by using your email address, and after you finish, let me show you. So let me click on my Canva website here. After you finish your sign up process to Canva, this will be your home page, and you should have an account like this one. Okay, you guys see here. So what you okay, after you click on video, choose, let me show you, choose YouTube video. Click on YouTube video, and you will be directly in this page over here. Click over here on upload, click on upload file. Okay, and upload the video that you download from Fiverr. Okay, this one, it's about Shopify ads. Open, and here you go. Your video will be uploaded to Canva like this. Click on your video, and your video will be over here. Let me show you like this. Click on this 3 points, click over here, and click on set video as background. And here you go. Click on text over here, scroll down, just scroll down and choose which style of text you want to use. Okay, so for example, I'm gonna use, let me see, I will use for example this one. I will click on this text style. Your text style will be, and they will keep using just this one. I will decrease the font size of this text, and they will put this text here. Double click on this text and write this sentence: check link in my description. Check link in my description. We will put our affiliate link in our YouTube description. Okay, I will put this text here. I will click here on elements. Okay, and I will scroll down. So let me show you. Go and scroll down, go over here to ships and choose this one. Just click on this one here, and it will be over here like this. So I will put this shape behind this text to make the text looks clear. Okay, like this, and here you go. Let me see.
My name is Marjorie, and I think it's very important to.
So people who will watch this video, they will see this check link in my description. They will see the customer feedback. People are already used this service and they are happy with the results. So it's impossible to not, for people who are really searching for how to run Shopify ads, they will really be interested to buy this one. Okay, because those sellers on Fiverr has experience and they know exactly how to run Facebook ads for Shopify. Facebook ads, TikTok ads, or any type of ads that you that those people are interested in. Okay, click on share and click on download, and this video will be download to your laptop. After you finish, go and open your YouTube channel. Opening a YouTube channel, it's super easy that anyone can do. You just need to use your email address and that's it. After you finish, upload this video, okay, that I show you, this one. Upload this video to your YouTube channel. Put this title in for your video. Use the same title. Please don't change or add anything from your head. Don't do anything from you. Okay, please just copy and paste. Okay, how to run ads for Shopify, because you should have those keywords in your title so your video can rank on YouTube search to get views and to target exactly those people who are searching for how to run Facebook ads. Okay, how to run Shopify, how to run ads for Shopify store. Okay, go to your description, put the same title again in this. For example, you can put this description, and if you are looking for how to run ads for Shopify store, check link below. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So for you guys, if you just created your affiliate account, you can't see this option Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years and they still have this option. For you, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. Copy your affiliate link from here, it's almost the same, and go and put your affiliate link in your YouTube description. Okay, that's it. Start promoting those services that people are searching for on YouTube. YouTube is, for me guys, YouTube is the best source of traffic for me. I'm getting already so much traffic from YouTube because I have like five YouTube channels that I'm using, and I'm trying to rank my videos high in the search results for those people who are searching for those topics, and that's why I'm getting so much traffic and making commissions. I'm choosing good sellers, I'm making good videos that people that will convince people to buy those services from me, and that's it. I have been doing this business, like I said, for 5 years. I know exactly how it works. The method that I shared with you now, it's working, but the business model is clear. You just need to stay consistent to create good content for your services, and that's it. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comments. For people who are asking, do I have any affiliate marketing course? Yes, I do. If you are interested, you guys can reach out to me in my email address in my description, and I will get back to you. Thank you so much for watching. Again, if you have any questions, just leave it in the comments, and see you in my next videos.